Hi there! Today we have the newly launched GTS 2e, and I think the E stands for efficient or economical. Frankly, I don't know. But considering it has longer battery life and lower price, I'm assuming it's for both. So it's very similar to the GTS 2 in design, display, but cutting some features in exchange we get better battery life. I actually just reviewed the GTS 2 a couple of weeks ago and I highly recommend you see that. Link will be in the description. So first, let's unbox it, we'll have a closer look at it, I'll tell you the differences and then accordingly you can decide which one is perfect for you. Alright, so if this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend TechSync. Let's get started. Inside the box is the GTS 2e, the watch itself, a charging cable and a user manual. Starting with the build, it has a square dial with a metal aluminium body. It has a matte finish which absolutely looks premium. One button on the side along with the same groove to prevent the button from getting stuck in cloth or hair. Frankly, I really like the design idea. Towards the back is the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, the charging terminal and a small mic at the bottom left. On the front is a 1.65-inch touch AMOLED display with a resolution of 348 by 442 pixels. Since it's an AMOLED display, so deep blacks and super vibrant colors. The text and icons are crisp thanks to the higher 341 ppi. The straps are made of soft silicone and come with a buckle design. They get a very good grip and feel very comfortable. They can be replaced with any 22mm third-party bands using the hook mechanism on the strap. Alright, so the display is exactly the same as well as the design and build. The only thing different is that the GTS 2e doesn't have a speaker, which the GTR 2 had, which means now you can't receive and talk on the phone from the watch, you can't listen to music on the watch and no phone call ringtones. It has 90 workout modes, yes 90, tons of them, and the best part is now the GTS 2e auto detects these workouts, which the GTS 2 didn't. It had the same workouts but lacked auto detection. It comes with 5 ATM water resistancy rating, so wearing them in the rain, shower or even for a swim is fine. It comes with built-in GPS to map your run or walks during workouts for more accurate results. Frankly, I haven't tested it, but considering that the GTS 2 accuracy was really good, this should be similar. It comes with always-on mode just like the GTR 2, over 40 always-on watch faces to choose from, digital, analog and many more. It comes with 8 pre-installed watch faces and over 50 more that you can get from the Zepp app watch face store. You can also custom set your own album pick as a watch face from the app as well. The mic on the GTS 2e is for offline commands, like for example, you can ask it to enable DND, show you the weather, start a workout or even change the brightness. There is a huge list of commands that you can see in the settings. The interface is very familiar. Swipe from the top to access quick toggles, swipe from below to access notifications, swipe right to see the activity, weather, heart rate, SpO2, music player. Press the button to access the menu. It's super smooth, responsive and very easy to use. It comes with 24-hour heart rate tracking as well as SpO2 sensor. Heart rate tracking is a lot dependable, while SpO2 more of just for reference and not for medical purpose. But still, it's good to have one handy. We also have a new feature, temperature sensor to check your body temperature. Coming to the Zepp Companion app, shows your steps, heart rate, workout, sleep tracking, SpO2 levels, the works. You can also share data from apps like Strava and Google Fit, something I know many would want to do. Rest, you can change the settings, call alerts, enable notifications, set alarms, software updates and a lot more. Alright, I'm sure you know enough about the GTS 2e by now, but what are the differences? Well, the GTS 2e doesn't have Wi-Fi and speaker which the GTS 2 had, so we can't talk on the watch when you receive a phone call, which you could do on the GTS 2. However, you can see the caller's name, you can silent the ringer or reject the call, but you can't answer it. Moving on, the GTS 2e doesn't have internal storage to save music like the GTS 2 did, but you can control the music from the GTS 2e that is playing on your phone. That's if your watch is connected via Bluetooth to your phone. And of course, since we are trading off some of these features, we gain battery life. So now double 14 days battery life compared to the 7 days on the GTS 2, which is excellent for those who actually won't be needing these features. And above all, the biggest pro being it's a cheaper price tag. The GTS 2e is priced at 9,999, which is 3,000 rupees lesser than the GTS 2. You can get the same display, same premium build, same 90 workout modes, better battery life for roughly 25% less. That's a good deal. But if you want internal memory to save music along with phone calling feature, actually not phone calling, you can actually, when you receive a call, you can talk, then you should consider the GTS 2. It's nice to see that Amazfit has given us options now, worth considering. The GTS 2e is going on sale on 17th of January on Flipkart and Amazfit website. I'll leave the links below of both the GTS 2e and the GTS 2 in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.